Gold alloy melting stage initiated. This division produces Rolex's proprietary gold alloys.
Welcome to our channel. Today we'll walk through how a solid gold bar becomes a fully finished $50,000 Rolex watch. This is Rolex's in-house gold alloy department.
Crucibles are filled and inserted into Rolex's proprietary induction furnace.
Each gold bar is authenticated and purity verified before melting.
CNC machining shapes each gold blank with tolerances below 5 microns.
Each oyster bracelet link begins as a solid gold blank.
The rough milling removes bulk material, preparing the cases for precision shaping.
Rolex formulates its own 18K Everose gold for unmatched color stability.
Precision molds are preheated to prevent thermal shock during casting.
Molten alloy is cast into components for the watch case, bezel, and bracelet links.
24K gold begins its transformation inside Rolex's proprietary alloying foundry. Once cooled, the raw shapes of each watch component are revealed.
The lume is pressure-filled for consistent nighttime brightness.
Pad printing ensures micron-level alignment for all dial markings. Galvanic plating bonds the color layer directly to the brass surface.
The dial base must remain perfectly flat to prevent hand friction.
This stage defines the final geometry with tolerances below 10 microns. Laser engraving embeds permanent micro-identifiers for authenticity. A diamond abrasive pre-polish flattens microscopic surface peaks.
Hand beveling creates crisp contrast between brushed and polished surfaces.
Hand polishing removes microscopic ridges from the Rolex hands, ensuring perfect light reflection on the final timepiece.
Chamfering reduces sharp edges and prepares the bezel for mirror finishing. Chamfering defines the final geometry and ensures optical symmetry under light. Any remaining debris can scratch the surface during polishing. This first polish removes tool marks and prepares the surface for refinement.
Cotton buffing smooths micro-imperfections below the 1 micron threshold. Consistency of reflection is critical for luxury-grade finishing.
Dual finishing gives the bracelet its signature Rolex character. Laser engraving must be crisp, permanent, and perfectly aligned. The dial must be perfectly flat to avoid optical distortion. Sunburst finishing captures light in a dynamic gradient.
Deburring removes microburrs that can interfere with later polishing.
Thread cutting ensures watertight sealing for deep-sea pressure resistance.
These components will enter the assembly stage next.
Multiple lacquer layers give depth and visual richness. Each marker must sit perfectly flush for flawless alignment. Luminova allows visibility in low-light conditions. Each hand must remain feather light for accurate movement. Diamond paste produces a flawless high-gloss surface free of micro scratches. Even microscopic dust must be eliminated. This assembly forms the visual identity of the Rolex timepiece. The gear train transfers energy from the mainspring to the escapement with minimal friction. The escapement regulates the release of energy, defining the watcher's heartbeat.
This assembly creates the oscillations responsible for time accuracy.
The rotor transfers wrist motion into stored energy through the mainspring. This step secures the visual and mechanical core of the watch.
Dial feet align with the movement's mounting posts to ensure perfect centering.
Hand height tolerances are controlled within microns to prevent friction. The gasket ensures waterproof integrity up to Rolex specifications. Casing unites the mechanical heart with its protective shell. Bracelet alignment ensures natural wrist curvature and structural stability. A stable amplitude confirms proper power reserve generation.
This certification confirms the watch has passed all Rolex grade tolerances.
This locks the watch and completes the waterproof chamber. Oyster cases are pressure tested to replicate deep water conditions without risking actual liquid intrusion.
The movement must maintain amplitude, even after controlled mechanical impact. The satin finish adds directional texture, balancing light reflection across each gold link.
The clasp must lock with consistent pressure, ensuring long-term durability. This final mirror polish ensures flawless optical clarity on the 18K gold surface. This stage removes micro scratches and prepares the gold case for high-gloss robotic finishing.
The oyster case is pressure tested to ensure complete waterproof performance.
The internal nickel-phosphorus components maintain accuracy under magnetic exposure.
Chromolite pigments are verified for brightness and longevity.
This placement ensures zero pressure on the bracelet links during transport.
This is the completed 18K gold Rolex watch, fully tested and ready for distribution.
Subscribe for more industrial factory walkthroughs and manufacturing breakdowns.